Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Now let's set up our storage. Whenever we install Termux, we need to give storage permission. So let's type termux-setup-storage. Always make sure you type the correct spelling. Also, it will ask you for allow permission. After allowing, we'll get the storage permission. Now type clear. Clear is used to clear the screen. After this, we'll first update and then upgrade our Termux. Let's understand why we update and upgrade. Update is used to resynchronize the package index files from their source. Say, for example, if we were trying to update Ubuntu Linux, so it will resynchronize the packages from the source, let's say Ubuntu via the internet. And upgrade is used to install the newest version of the packages currently available. Upgrading involves transforming old system into a new system. This may take time depending on your internet speed. So, coming to the conclusion of this video, two things we need to remember after we install Termux in our device. First, we need to provide the storage permissions. And second, we need to update and upgrade Termux. Okay, so I hope till now we all are clear with the things. Now let's catch up in our next video. Thank you so much. Now type clear, and to come out of this Termux, type exit.